Yeah, little baby. Other way, that way. That way. He swam up in the shore. Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse Southern Reels fishing out in the kayak. Once again with my good brother Reed. He's in his kayak today. It's his first trip to this area, so he's pretty excited, and of course I am as well, because this is one of my favorite places to fish. And we're putting a big effort in today for flounder. That time of year is time to catch them, so we're gonna see what happens, have some fun, hopefully get some big old flatties. Wish us luck. All right, y'all, got some gulp today, which is always a go-to for flounder, at least for me. It's hard to beat it, really. My brother, he got some mud minnows. He's gonna try them. So we're gonna do a nice little mix of techniques, I guess, and baits to see what produces. I'm gonna do the old John Skinner special. 3/4 ounce, I believe, bucktail. Maybe an ounce, I'm not sure really. Somewhere in there. And we're just gonna burn this entire bridge up today. Let's see what we can catch. It's gonna be a little windy. Apologize for the wind noise. We're talking 12 mile an hour almost all day. It is what it is. So we starting off with the minnows. The water's not too dirty, thankfully. We've gotten a lot of rain this week, past few days especially. So I don't know, we'll see if that affects it today. I brought some fiddler crabs as well, so we can try for sheep's head if the flounder aren't cooperating. Is that a fish? Man, that didn't take long. Heck yeah, brother. Reed, first one to hook up. Yeah, it looks like a good one too. Well, there you go. The minnows might be the way to go. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, little baby. Woo! Oh. Oh, you just spit up your minnow.
No shit.
Hey, you want it back?
That is crazy. That's the one I missed.
He's trying to, hard as he can, put this hook in my hand. That's funny, I got the man's minnow back.
So Jesse just caught that little flounder, and I missed one earlier. And yours, sure enough, was my face that threw up. Oh, you've been on the bottom of it.
That's hilarious right there. Yeah, here we go. Now we got some currents. What do we got here? I don't feel like a flounder. I think drum, maybe? What in the world? No, it is a flounder. Foul hook to do. Ouch. Poor guy. No wonder it felt funny. That's a nice one there. Probably a keeper. I don't let him go though. Foul hooked him. Sorry, man. There we go. There we go. That's something worth catching. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Finally. And he hit the bucktail. There we go. Finally got something worth having. Man hit the bucktail. There we go. Nice one now. First decent flounder this year. Oh, easy buddy, easy. It's only 19. Still definitely going home with me. One for the money. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna take a little break, give my back a break, cast along this shore a little bit. Make sure my kayak doesn't wander from me. A slow bite this morning, honestly. At this point, kind of just waiting for the current to chill out, change, see if maybe the water will clear up some. Oh, look at that. Little baby right here on the shore. All right, buddy, that's a sharp hook. I really don't want that in my hand. A little fun while my back rests. Just bumping it along. There's a nice little sand drop off right here. This current rolling around this point. It's perfect for holding flounder. Oh, shoot. Ah. A speck. Ah. Didn't expect to catch trout. Yeah, little baby. Other way, that way. That way. He swam up in the shore. They're definitely down here. It's just exceedingly difficult at the moment to get in position for this. Current is rolling right here right now. What the heck? There we go. Actually, a pretty decent one. Oh, that's a striper. That's a big striper. I didn't expect that. On a crab. I was fishing for a sheep's head and got me a damn striper. That's crazy. They don't want to come up neither. Okay. I don't want to get all wet. Stop. Jeez. Oh. Good Lord. Yeah, on a fiddler. I didn't expect that. Right in the lip, just as pretty. Huh. Go figure. Pretty striper too. Dang. It's the biggest one I ever caught. A 29.5 incher. Okay, y'all. Nice striper. Thank you, man. I didn't expect to catch you today. Yes. All right, buddy. See ya. Well, hey, y'all. We're headed back to the boat ramp here. Action was a little bit slow out here today. Definitely not what we expected. Had some fun. It was nice to get out with the guys. We're gonna go pack up and go grab some lunch because it's right at lunchtime. and see what this weather does, because it's raining right now. We got a pretty good storm coming up behind us. May fish some more. If so, it'll be another video. If not, is what it was. Is what it was. Yeah, there you go. Peace out. See you in the next one.